Hello, welcome to Grace's Kitchen, and today we are making the ultimate flavorful grilled tilapia, perfectly seasoned, juicy on the inside and paired with bangkong. Let's go into it. First, we rinse the fish with lemon. This eliminates any strong fishy odor and freshens up the fish. Give the fish a final wash with warm water to ensure it's completely clean, then pat it dry. Cut deep lines into the fish. This ensures our marinade penetrates deep into the bone for maximum flavor. This should be done on both sides of the fish. After that is done, wash the fish one last time in salt water to lock in moisture and give it a base layer of taste. Add spring onion, green pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and hot pepper into a blender. Pour in a generous amount of vegetable oil and blend. Always blend your vegetables with oil instead of water to keep the marinade thick so it sticks to the fish perfectly. Pour the blended vegetables in a bowl, add a little more oil and mix with powdered seasonings. Massage the marinade generously all over the fish, making sure to get it deep into the cut and the inside cavity. Do that for both sides in order to get a great taste out of it. Now grease the oven rack with oil so the fish skin doesn't stick. Put a tray of water underneath the rack. The rising steam will keep the tilapia incredibly juicy while it grills. Now, remove the perfectly grilled golden brown tilapia from the oven. Top it with freshly sliced vegetables of your choice, onion, bell pepper, tomatoes, and many more, and serve with bangkong. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.